the Giggly Grannies, and we're a little more serious today because we're in Ryde Methodist Church on a harvest service, and look at all the beautiful fruit and veg here that has been donated. Some blackberries, and some tomatoes, all sorts of lovely things. And the church itself looks absolutely beautiful. We've just finished the service, and my other Giggly Granny friend is behind the camera. And beautiful flowers, beautiful baskets of fruit. Some people have worked really hard to make it look beautiful. And we've just had communion, and on the communion table there's a naughty little mouse who's actually been nibbling away at the bread. Very nicely baked for us by one of our members, Judith, and Giggly Grannies is just showing us the rest of the beautiful work that's gone on quietly during the week to present such a beautiful display this morning. So all is safely gathered in. That's Ryde Methodist Church, and what a lot of fun we've had.
Take 600.